In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple calendars in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up separate calendars for different parts of your life, like work, personal events, or special projects, and keep everything organized with color and icons so it's easy to read at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. This takes you to the Outlook web experience. Make sure you're on the home screen so you can easily move into your calendar. Keeping Outlook open in a full browser window helps you see all the options we'll use today. Once Outlook loads, look for the calendar option. You'll usually find the calendar icon in the left sidebar. Click it to switch from mail to calendar. This moves you into the dedicated calendar view, which is where we'll add and manage separate calendars for different purposes. In the calendar view, find the Add Calendar option. It's available within the calendar area and opens a panel dedicated to creating new calendars and adding other types like shared or subscribed calendars. For our purposes, we're going to build a brand new one so it stays completely separate from your existing events. When the panel opens, choose Create Blank Calendar. This is the cleanest way to make a calendar that you control from scratch. It won't import any events automatically, which is perfect when you want a fresh place for specific appointments or tasks. Now give your new calendar a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you'll recognize it later. Names like work projects, family, fitness, or travel can make your week easier to scan. Next, choose a color. Color coding is a simple but powerful way to visually separate calendars on the screen, especially when several are displayed at the same time. Pick something distinct from your existing calendars to avoid confusion. You can also select a charm, which is a small icon that adds another visual cue. Choose one that matches the theme of the calendar, like a briefcase for work or a heart for personal. When you're happy with the name, color, and charm, click Save. Outlook creates the calendar and places it alongside your others in the calendar list. You'll see it ready to use, and any events you add while that calendar is selected will live there, separate from your main schedule. To create multiple calendars, simply repeat the same flow for each category you need. Over time, this setup helps you turn calendars on or off as needed and quickly focus on what matters most. That's it. Clean, color-coded organization in just a few clicks.